Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm gonna present this article. It's zinc oxide inhibits dental discoloration caused by white MTA, Angelus. This group from Brazil, Marciano and others, they published it in 2017 in GOE. And as we all know that white MTA has a drawback because of content of 20% opacifier, radio opacifier bismuth oxide. It caused discoloration because of oxidizing with strong agents such as sodium hypochlorite or sometime amino acid present in dentine collagen. The aim of the study was to investigate the inhibition of dental discoloration by adding 5%, 15%, or 45% zinc oxide to MTA Angelus. And they assessed the physical, chemical, and biological properties in this study. The material method, they include MTA Angelus, and then they mix it with a different concentration of zinc oxide, as I mentioned before, 5, 15, and 45. In all, characteristic was tested. First, that they test the microscopy and element analysis, X-ray analysis, and then radio opacity, setting time, volume change, as well as pH and calcium ion release. And then they measure the tooth color stabilization by spectrophotometry and stereomicroscopy. And also they tested the biocompatibility of the material. And they found that additional of zinc oxide did not alter significantly the radio opacity, setting time, volume change, pH, and biocompatibility comparing with MTA Angelus alone. And they found that calcium ion release increased by additional of zinc oxide agenol. And this is favorable because that the alkalinity and the pH and release of calcium ion allow tissue repair and indication of mineralized barrier, induced mineralized barrier. MTA Angelus contain additional zinc oxide show higher calcium ion release in comparison with untreated formula in all periods. And this picture shows that the discoloration due to MTA placement without zinc oxide in a bovine teeth and human tooth, and then with adding 5% of zinc oxide agenol. After that, they saw that 15 and 45% of zinc oxide inferred in hydration, and the 5% of zinc oxide addition was sufficient to prevent dental discoloration observed with MTA Angelus. In conclusion, that additional of 5%, 15%, or 45% of zinc oxide to MTA Angelus inhibit dental discoloration without modifying the radio opacity, setting time, volume change, pH, and biocompatibility. Thank you.